Land prices are always a hot topic, especially with some of the big increases we've seen this last year. Ag Day's Michelle Rook looks at some of the updated values and where they're headed.
Clinton, according to the National Ag Statistics Service, U.S. land values so far in 2022 are up 12.4% to $3,800 per acre. Now, the biggest percentage increase comes in Iowa, but other Midwestern states aren't far behind. The question everyone wants answered is, at this rate, can they keep going up? In times of high commodity prices, it's not uncommon to see land values rise, but there have been some record-setting prices and percentage increases this cycle, with Iowa land values rising 21.4% to $9,400 per acre. South Dakota was up nearly 19%, Minnesota 17.4%. Dennis Raymond, last year's president of the American Society of Farm Managers and Rural Appraisers, is based in Iowa. He says it's not just farmers pushing the market.
A lot of it is hedge on inflation, a lot more investors involved, a lot more investor buyers plus bidders, so plus farmers had a lot of enough cash to push it higher as well, but a lot more volume on the market.
And that has resulted in some record sale prices in his immediate area of northwest Iowa.
We've tracked over 50 sales that are 20,000 or higher, and a lot of them in that 22, 23,000 range. There have been at least 4 sales of over 25,000 or higher. So that's, but you know, those are in specific areas.
So are land values getting close to peaking? Raymond says it doesn't look like the market is saturated yet, and higher interest rates haven't been a big deterrent.
They're definitely holding steady with spring advances. Last winter was super aggressive for increases through the spring, and now this summer. Maybe a little steadier at these high levels, but we certainly can't keep up double-digit increases, you know, all the time.
The biggest determining factor, according to Raymond, is the crop size this fall and where commodity prices go from here. The Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago, the district that includes Iowa and most of Illinois and Indiana, just reported land values rose 22% in the second quarter of 2022. That adds to the double-digit gains in the previous 2 quarters.